hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard.
What's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you a quick video today how to quick sand and polish trailer wheel. Most of them have road rash on just the outer lips. If you look right here, this one has got some road rash just on the lip, but the center's fine. And we want to make it look like this right here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing first, I like to jack the wheel up so that we can spin it. Next thing I like to do is I like to peel the sticker off, grab a razor blade and some carb cleaner to take the adhesive off. Spray a little carb cleaner on there. All right, now that the adhesive is off, I'm gonna rotary sand the outer edge. This one here isn't all that bad, so I'm gonna use 600 grit on our hook and loop disc pad for our variable speed grinder. I'm gonna spin it around 2200 RPM. As you can see, I've only rotary sanded this outer lip. Now we're gonna hit it with a quick DA. My DA of choice is Makita for this part. I like the orbitation on it. It's real nice and smooth, real consistent. As you can see, I DA'd all the way into the water ring. I'm gonna clean off the tar, clean all that stuff off before I start buffing. All right, we got no tar, no adhesive, no nothing on here. Now the outer lip's sanded. The center wasn't all that bad, so we're not gonna sand that. Now here we go. Always respirator up. All right, now this wheel's been completely cut with orange buff and brown compound. You can see it's been cut all the way around. Now we're just gonna color it. All right, so this was a 22.5 wheel. We sanded, cut and colored it, just the outer. What we'll do now is we'll come back with some hand polish in here and hand polish in between the lug nuts. But that's what we got Daryl for. We'll come back with our hand polish on a wax pad. You can see Daryl's wiping in between there. He's wiping with a white cotton terry cloth to take it back off once it's applied. As always, a good Mountain Dew helps complete the process. But I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I hope you find them helpful. If you like these videos, check out all my other YouTube videos. A lot of how-tos, a lot of good stuff in there. I hope you guys are enjoying them. Please continue to watch them. And of course, hit that subscribe button. If you're really liking these videos and you want to use the products we use, head on over to GoShineOn.com/shop to get yours today, where we carry the full line of Renegade products and the Evans glass cleaner.